In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Salesforce free trial in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner wanting to explore Salesforce's capabilities or you're diving into this cloud-based CRM for the first time, these steps will guide you through setting up your very own trial account with ease. Let's start by heading over to the official Salesforce website, salesforce.com. Once there, look for the Sales Cloud option and click on Try for Free. This is the entry point to unlock a vast array of features and tools that Salesforce has to offer for businesses looking to streamline their operations and boost their sales processes. Now that you've clicked Try for Free, a new page will open prompting you to fill out a form. This is where you'll need to input some basic information. Go ahead and enter your name and email address. Make sure to use a valid email as it will be crucial for verification later on. You'll also need to provide details about your company, such as its name and your role within it. This helps Salesforce tailor the experience to better suit your business's needs. Next, you'll come across a drop-down menu to select your country. Choose the one you're currently residing in. Beneath this, there are terms and conditions that you'll need to agree to. Make sure to read through these and check the box acknowledging that you accept them. It's always good to know what you're agreeing to. Once you've submitted that information, you're on your way. Keep an eye on your inbox as Salesforce will send you a confirmation email. This email will contain a verification link, which you'll need to click in order to verify your new Salesforce account. If you don't see the email immediately, make sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it got filtered out by mistake. After you've verified your email, it's time to log in. Use the credentials provided to you in the email from Salesforce. This login will give you access to the Sales Cloud trial org. Once logged in, you'll find yourself within the powerful environment of Salesforce with a wealth of features at your disposal for setup and testing. Take advantage of this trial period to explore the tools available and get hands-on experience with customization, data management, and analytics provided by Salesforce. It's a great opportunity to see how Salesforce can transform your business operations and drive efficiency. So dive in, experiment, and make the most of your free trial. That's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've got a Salesforce trial account ready to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring Salesforce's fantastic capabilities.